So before we move on to the drop shipping section, I just want to be completely upfront and honest with you. And this is my view on drop shipping. Now, I've tried to make money drop shipping for many years. And I've tried drop shipping on eBay. I've tried creating websites that drop ship products. And I've also signed up for a middleman such as Doba, which is very similar to SaleWho and other services like that, and tried to drop ship products from them. And what I've learned after my experience is that dropshipping is a really bad way to make money. And I know a lot of people are not going to want to hear this, but I just want to be truthful with you. I've tried for years to try and make money dropshipping, and it's really hard to do it, and it's honestly not worth your time. If you want to really make money on eBay, it's important that you wholesale instead of dropship. So I want to go over why dropshipping is so attractive in the first place. Because I understand why so many people want to dropship, and I've felt this way too. It seems like you don't have to spend any upfront money. And that's because the dream behind dropshipping is that your manufacturer is going to ship the product for you, and you're going to pay them with your customers' money. It also is attractive because you don't need to send inventory to your house. With dropshipping, you're sending items directly from the manufacturer to your customer, and not to your home first. And lastly, why dropshipping is so attractive is because the manufacturer does all the work for you. And not only do they ship your products for you, but if you have an unhappy customer, the idea is that your manufacturer is going to do and handle all the returns for you. Now, here's the truth about dropshipping. Very few suppliers that dropship are still in business, which means you have a very small selection of products to choose from. And also, I have tried for years to make money drop shipping, and I was never successful. Now, I did make a couple $100s here and there, but it never worked out to be consistent profit. And ultimately, it just didn't work out with a drop shipper. Either the products were bad, the profit margins were too low, or I couldn't find enough products that I could drop ship on eBay. And finally, with drop shipping, there's a lot of competition. And the reason for this is, like I mentioned in the last slide, there are a lot of reasons why people want to dropship because it seems so attractive. But at the same time, there are very few dropshipping suppliers in business. So that means a lot of people are selling the same products from the same dropshippers, which means you have a ton of competition on eBay. So, like I said earlier, if you're truly interested in making money on eBay, I highly recommend that you wholesale products instead of dropship. Now, I included this dropshipping section because a lot of people asked for it. And if you're really interested in learning more about dropshipping, this next section will help you learn a lot. But I just want to reemphasize this, that I have tried for years to make money dropshipping in every way possible, and I really don't think it's possible. And I know there's a lot of people online that have claimed that they've made thousands of dollars dropshipping, but I honestly think they haven't, and they're just saying that because they want you to buy their tutorials or ebooks because they know how many people are attracted to the idea of dropshipping. So, let's move on. I'm going to teach you about dropshipping because I think you might be interested, but just keep in mind that if you really want to make money, wholesaling is the way to go.